If tomatoes or peppers start to blacken like this on the bottom, do not pour calcium immediately. The problem is often not that there is no calcium in the soil. The plant, perhaps, simply cannot deliver it to the fruit. And the real cause of this is very often in the water. If you don't deal with this first, the next fruit may turn black again. This is called top rot. It most often appears on tomatoes and peppers. Calcium is needed in order for fetal cells to develop properly. But even when there is enough of it in the soil, the plant may not get it evenly. Calcium travels to the fruit together with water. That is why sudden changes in soil moisture can cause this problem. The biggest problem arises when the soil dries out completely, and then you suddenly water it abundantly. Then the plant goes from drought to excess water. Such sudden changes interfere with the even flow of calcium to the fetus. That is why it is most important to keep the soil evenly moist, not completely dry, but not constantly soaked. A damaged fruit can no longer be recovered. Remove it and continue watering evenly. A layer of straw or dry grass will help the soil stay moist longer. First, stabilize the water. Then, think about calcium. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.